In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset WooCommerce to default. If you've been working on your WooCommerce store and feel like it's time for a fresh start, or maybe you've made a few changes that you'd like to undo, resetting WooCommerce to its default settings can be a great way to start over, whether you're troubleshooting issues, testing configurations, or simply reorganizing your store. This process can help you get back to a clean slate with ease. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can reset WooCommerce quickly and confidently. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your WordPress website, including all things WooCommerce. Make sure you have the necessary admin permissions to perform this reset, as it requires access to specific tools within your site's backend. Once you're logged in, you'll see the WordPress dashboard menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Next, locate WooCommerce in the sidebar menu on the left. This is the section where all your store settings, orders, products, and reports are managed. Click on WooCommerce to expand the menu, and from there, select the option labeled Status. The status page provides valuable insights into the health and performance of your WooCommerce store. But for this tutorial, we're going to focus on the tools available here. At the top of the status page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Tools. This tab is where you'll find a variety of functions designed to help you manage and troubleshoot your WooCommerce store. It's a powerful section that includes options for clearing specific data, resetting settings, and resolving common issues. Once you're in the Tools tab, scroll down until you find the section called Reset Options. This is where all the reset tools are grouped together. Here you'll see a list of settings and data types that you can reset individually. WooCommerce provides the flexibility to clear different types of data separately, so you can choose what you want to reset without affecting other areas of your store. For instance, you might want to clear transients, delete orphaned data, or reset your product settings. To begin the reset, locate the specific data you wish to clear. For example, if you want to reset your order data, look for the corresponding option in the list. Once you've identified the correct item, click the Clear button next to it. Be cautious with this step. Clearing data is irreversible, so double-check that you've selected the right option before proceeding. After clicking the Clear button, WooCommerce will ask you to confirm your action. This is an important safety step to ensure you don't accidentally erase something you didn't intend to. Confirm your choice, and then allow WooCommerce to complete the reset process. Depending on the amount of data being cleared, it may take a moment for the process to finish. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know the reset was successful. And that's it. Your WooCommerce data has been reset, and you're ready to move forward with a clean slate. Whether you're reconfiguring your store, testing new settings, or simply starting fresh, this process gives you the flexibility to make the changes you need. Remember, WooCommerce is a robust tool, and its reset options are there to help you manage your store more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.